Hey, welcome to Tarmac. Today I'm in the new X-Class from Mercedes. It's their first look at the UTE market, and long overdue really, I'd say. We're going to be heading out to Boomrock, so going to be doing some off-road stuff as well as driving around the city, and should be a ton of fun. Taking a look around. First impressions, very much like, well, very similar to the C-Class interior. So the air vents are X-crossed. It's a leather interior, leather, actually non-leather door panels, depending on the style. The steering wheel is, actually, you could have come out of any C-Class. Contrast stitching, very nice. Actually, that runs across the whole dash. Brushed aluminium style fascia across here. It's all very comfortable. Side bolsters in the seats, heated. Not necessarily needed today. 12-volt points all over the place. I think we've got, I think there's supposed to be 4, but I know there's one here, one in the back cab. Mandatory sunglasses holder, gotta love that. Keyless entry and push button start. From a safety point of view, it's got a 5-star ANCAP rating, and the most modern version of it. It's got 7 airbags dotted around everywhere, and full of ABS, autonomous braking, all that sort of stuff to keep you and your family safe. On the subject of interior, you get the choice of their man-made leather effect seating. I think there's cloth, and also there's their leather option, which has got, I think it's 70 or 80% leather in it. Color wise, you've got black, you've got brown, I think there may be one other, but essentially you can customize your interior to what suits your
Please
mood.
leave the roundabout at the second exit.
Now, the X-Class is being manufactured in Spain and has been provided to a lot of the southern hemisphere countries, Australia, South Africa, New Zealand, just because there's such a high demand for these medium-sized utes. Obviously, Mercedes are very strong in passenger vehicles. They're also very strong in commercials. So getting this into their product lineup is, I guess, as I said before, very long overdue, but certainly very valid. So don't think that Mercedes are trying something completely out of where they should be, is what I'm trying to say. Underpinning the whole car is the Nissan chassis and also Nissan engine, but they haven't really just slapped a body kit on the top. It's a lot bigger, well, quite reasonably bigger. It's got 3.5 ton towing capabilities and a 1.1 ton payload. So it's certainly a workhorse if it needs to be. Power plant wise, you've got a choice of one engine, which is a 4-cylinder 2.3 litre diesel engine, but you've got 2 variants of it. So you've got the single turbo or the bi-turbo, and from a gearbox point of view, you have a
Please
7.
leave the roundabout at the second exit towards Brookley.
And from a gearbox point of view, you've got a 7-speed auto, which I'm in right now, or a 6-speed manual. The V6 version has been developed, I believe. It will be on its way, but all the focus right now is on the 4-pot. Aside from the navigation that comes with this truck,
Prepare to turn right and then keep right and continue to follow SH16.
as you can hear, there's also a compass or a sort of your
In
directional.
200 meters, please turn
Shush.
right and then keep right and continue to follow SH16.
There's also compass direction in the mirror, just in case you forget where you are. The driving position feels lofty, as you'd expect in a ute, but it certainly doesn't feel body rollish. I mean, of course, it's not a racing car or sports car, it's a utility vehicle, but it actually feels quite...
Now turn right onto Monument Road.
But it actually feels quite solid. Who knew? Now, Mercedes are saying there's 3 types of appeal for this vehicle. You've got the workhorse, the people that are just going to use this as a totally utilitarian vehicle, a workhorse. You've got the sort of adventurous people that are going to use it as a sort of mixture between a normal home car, normal passenger vehicle, and also take it away at weekends to do the surfboarding, any of the adventure sports. And then you've got the third ones that are just going to use it just to go shopping, adventurous shopping, and going to fill it as a particular family car. There's also the grey nomads. Who knew they existed? So taking this the old folk for a big jaunt around the country. Let's see how that would happen. Anyway, so quite a broad appeal. Also, you do have the Mercedes owners that are going to probably want, or that could potentially want a second vehicle, something to add to their collection of German automobiles. So there you go. It's got quite a wide range of appeal. Mercedes have loaded this ute up with NVH, so noise, vibration, harshness have all been singled out to make sure this feels good on the road, sounds, so I can talk now without shouting, and it is actually quite good. There's not that much feedback from the road, and looking forward to taking it off-road as well.